Hello and welcome back, friends. SGLED grow lights have sent me these lights, so I'm going to make a review on these lights as well as do an experiment to show how well they work. So basically I'll do a full review on this one. Let's get started. Now unboxing the lights, and you see, wow, they have pretty cool packed in there, and the weight of this bulb is 0.79 labs, and these lights can be used for indoor plants, vegetables, flowers, and the most trending technology in growing, that is hydroponics. So basically for all purposes these lights are enough, so you don't have to buy any other lights. So the hollow design of these lights help in heat radiation, and the bulb will not have any problem for its durability. And it comes with the standard E26 socket that fits almost in any kinds of lamp, so you don't have to worry about finding a specific lamp holder for this bulb. So basically it fits in all kinds of holders. So this lights are energy saving and doesn't hurt your eyes. It gives the full spectrum of light, and the wavelength is from 380 nanometer to 780 nanometer, which is good for growing all purpose plants at your home. Tomato needs 53 nanometer, lettuce needs 59 nanometer, strawberry needs 43 nanometer, rose needs 52 nanometers, and different other indoor foliage plants needs 44 nanometer, which this light can give easily. And this light can be used for different stages of growing, for seeding 40 to 60 meter height, and for growth of the plant 30 to 40 inches height, and for blooming 18 to 30 inches of height. So you use this light for all purposes, all stages of the plant as well. So I'm gonna give a try and find it out how does it work once I use in real-time environment. So I'm using it in a indoor grow tent in my basement. Basically it is winter, it's very freezing outside, but I'm just using this grow light to experiment with the good ventilation. Now experimenting with the lettuce plants, and I kept these lights on and check the time lapse. They're really doing good under this light, so definitely these lights worked very well. In other video I have a problem with these black lines coming in by time-lapse video, but this problem has been eradicated by this light as well. I can get nice and smooth video with this grow light also. So basically it not only helps in growing, but it is also for recording purpose also. Talking about the lifetime of this bulb, this grow light can go up to 25,000 hours, which is equivalent to 3 years 24/7 turning on. And if you use it for half day, this can go for 6 years and more also. With this durability, this comes with the price of $39.99, and if you use the promo code that is in the description below, you'll get 20% off. The product link is below in the description. Please give it a try. I definitely recommend it to my subscriber and viewers. And if you have any comments, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. And if you like my video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.